Alright folks, check this place out. It is too cool. Let me give you a quick ass view. Boom! Bedroom number 1. What's up, people? Show the fellas where the booty's at. Oh no, where the party's at. Check out this view. Now, beautiful fountain. Beautiful fountain. A lot of gringo tourists over there. So you got Starbucks. Okay, so this room right here has got one king bed. But it's a suite, right? So you get the sink here, shower, everything good to go. And this is bedroom number 2. And this spot right here, it's got two, what are those, twins? Anyhow, it's got the, what's up, people? This is the view. This is the view of the marina. See all the tourists. Look at those plexiglass boats. You basically see through the boat. And we're right here. This place called Plaza Bonita is right here in the action. All the action. I mean, all the bars are just right here. Basically in the same fucking building. Got a safe in the room. Cold air cons in each room. And then one in here in the main area. And I just giving you a quick walkthrough before we jack everything up. Living room, all these fluffy pillows. I'll come out here and show you. Look at this balcony. And there's a sunshine on the balcony. But just check this out. We are right here in the thick of things. It's a few days after that hurricane come through here. So a lot of people canceled, but no impact to operations. Everything is good. Right here in Cabo. What can I do? Y'all thought I was gonna be car camping across America. That plan just went out the window. It did not. I mean, no plan survives first contact, and that plan did not survive first contact. Next thing I know, I'm down here in Cabo San Lucas, and look at this awesome kitchen. Nice little bar area here. You know, got a full kitchen. My buddy Armando brought me a beer. And then everything in here, from coffee maker, blender, to toaster, and boom! I can wash clothes while I'm here, which is a good thing, because I only brought one pair of pants. I brought one pair of pants, this shirt, a t-shirt underneath. I'm wearing my cowboy boots. I brought a bathing suit and some prison shower shoes. Some slippers. But there's a look around this little condo we're going to be chilling at for a few days here in Cabo San Lucas. And it is absolutely just gorgeous. You cannot beat the location. And what we discussed was, and shout out to my buddy, man, he's the one who found it. If we weren't here, then we would be wasting time commuting here or paying a taxi to get here. But we are here. This is the heart of the tourist action. Now we're gonna punch out and check out some local stuff. But my goodness, what's going on? Lord have mercy. A lot of beautiful gringas, beautiful ladies from the States. Look, how do I put it? There's some tig-o bitties out there. My goodness, if you like titties. Lord, I ain't seen this big of titties in a long time. Girls in Southeast Asia ain't got big old huge titties like American girls do. Now look, I didn't come here to chase American ladies. I come here to expand cultural relations with the Mexican girls. But right here in the tourist area, what are you going to see during the day? You're going to see American tourists. It's only like a 3-hour flight from Denver. I think 2 hours and 40 minutes. So an easy flight to get down here. The weather is beautiful. It's hot. It's so clean here. And it's my first time in Cabo. So I'm looking forward to exploring the sites and taking y'all with me. And I'm going to address all you motherfuckers out there right now. You son of a bitch, you left your wife in the jungle in the Philippines. She ain't got no furniture. Got no food, blah, 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 blah. I don't even think that's worthy of the Handsome Donkey Award anymore. I think that's just worthy of the fucking Parrot Award. So yeah, to all my people who love me, I'm here in Cabo. All the people who want to yak me, I'm here in Cabo San Lucas. Just deal with it. Don't get mad. Guitar pickers right here. And folks, again, we just got here. So all I'm about to do is shed one of these shirts and I'm hitting the streets. And I want to thank y'all for joining me during this series of videos here. The beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Who needs you? I've got Mexico. 'Cause I'm eating right and I'm living good. Doing everything I said I would. Long time ago. Who needs you? I've got Mexico. Alright folks, let's show you the pool area here. Oh, look at this little hot tub. What can a dog do? What can I do but get in that motherfucker? What can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Ain't nothing I can do but get up in that pool right there with some senoritas. Right now, I gotta go get a fruity drink. Gotta go get a fruity drink, chat up my local waitresses, and see what is going on up in the hood. Look at this. Look at this, right here, bars underneath, right where our condo is. I think Senor Frogs is down on the end, but we're just right above the bar. Yo folks, Plaza Bonita. Where the hell is Senor Frogs? Now, you got one Senor Frogs over here, but I think there's a Senor Frogs behind us. Showgirls. Okay, this is Senor Frogs Squid Row Restaurant and Bar. Supposedly that's a happening place. The Mandala. Beautiful hair. Okay, so cool. Got a little $27 for that dress. I don't think if I didn't mind be getting one of them dresses. Got all kind of t-shirts in here. $18 bucks. $3 for a Gatorade. But you know what? That's how much you pay at the damn Love's truck stop in Nowhereville, America, right? So you're paying the same price in that little shop right here in Cabo on the Marina that you pay at a goddamn truck stop in America. I prefer the view here. There's a shocking thing about America. $2.99 for a small plastic bottle of Coke at the gas station. Pretty much anytime you want to get something to drink now, it's $3 in America. I'd rather come to Cabo. Oh yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
2 for 1 today.
2 for 1 today. I need 2 for 1. Oh, I'm looking for a drink, man. I'm not going fishing. Thank you, buddy. I said 2 for 1 in the boat, but I'm not going fishing today. I'm on a hunt. I'm on a hunt for a drink. What I can do. No gracias, my friend. So again, this is Plaza Bonita. This is the Nowhere something. I don't know what that says. The Nowhere Bab something. My condo is right above this bar. That's dangerous for a dude like me. All right, got a fishing boat going out, loaded with lovely ladies over here. Got plenty of bow bunnies over there. Shout out to them gentlemen. Oh, got some music coming on over there to the right. Loving it. There's another look at here, Senor Frogs. That gentleman right there got splashed by the van. He's fucking yakking them in Spanish. Mucho macho. Cabo tequila. On the hunt for some tacos. Really, I want a drink, but I said, you know what? Our buddy Armando said this place down here, he likes this taqueria. So, all right. Oh, I gotta get me one of them cowboy hats right there. 3 tacos and a margarita for $15 US. That's our horse right there, this little pink spot. La Taquiza, tacos and seafood. We'll sit right there, buddy. So here we go. Oh yeah. Hello, hello. How are you, my friends? Hello. Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. This place is beautiful. It's expensive but beautiful. I'll give you a full rundown on the prices, but $10 for a shot of vodka. We're headed over towards the beach. This dude said everybody goes to Mango's on the beach during the day because it's too hot here in the Marina to do anything but get on a boat and go fishing or go whale watching, Cabo.com, something like. What the fuck can I do? Lord. Luxury Avenue. Coming up on this little place over here on the beach called the Hungry Shark Restaurant and Bar. And I'm a motherfucking hungry shark for a beer. More like I'm a thirsty motherfucking shark. But that's where we're going. Well, at least we're getting down here on the strip. The question is, oh yeah, we hit the strip. All you gotta do is walk around the marina. Look at this. Oh Lord have mercy. What's going on here? I ain't seen an ass that big in a long time. Actually, you got a Carnival cruise line. So you got the cruise passengers in here. So if you're on a cruise, you're hanging out here during the way. This is called Milky Beach. And this is Corazon Beach Club. Bottomless mimosas from 9 to 12. $29. Now that's actually a good deal because I can sit there and drink that all day long for $29. Hello, how are you?
Good, and you?
I'm absolutely wonderful. Is this 9 a.m. or 9 p.m.?
PM, no? Espérame, sí, PM.
It's 9 till noon?
9 to
Oh, I thought it was 9 p.m. to midnight. Folks, this is a happening spot over here. Absolutely beautiful, folks. We're coming in here, getting a beautiful view of this beach right here. Right, got 2 mangoes coming in here. Buy one, take one. Okay, so this is a place his buddy told us about called The Office. This is Mango Deck or Mango Dock. Here, well, it looks like The Office might be closed off. Yeah, The Office is Sandbag. Here's the Mango Deck. Whoa! Whoa! All right, my friend.
You look like paparazzi.
I like a paparazzi.
You are paparazzi? Welcome to my country, Mr. Paparazzi.
Is this Mango's?
Yeah, Mango Deck.
How you get in here, man? Down this way?
It's that apartment over there.
All right.
Enjoy my paradise.
Folks, chilling with my friend here.
Viva Mexico.
Viva la Mexico. Oh shit, that dude popped out of nowhere. I don't know what he was doing up in that closet. Ain't none of my business. Oh yeah, this is what the dude said. Come to Mango Deck. Oh, beautiful. Take y'all in here. Oh yeah. It's a Mango Deck. Hello, hello. Hola. Yes. Oh shit, we got ladies on the stage. There's ladies on the stage.
One more strong lady.
Got ladies on the stage.
One more strong girl. Una mamacita.
What is going on here? But I got a mango.
One more strong mamacita.
Got a strong mamacita.
Mamacita, don't worry. She's waiting for the twerking contest. It's okay. It's okay.
I stumbled into
Everybody,
this push-up
clap your hands
contest.
for the strong, beautiful lady.
Oh, it's a strong, beautiful lady contest. What can I do?
All right, now, check it out. Everybody, todos. Ah, no, that's la seguridad. Que haga algo. All right, now, everybody, before we do anything, antes de que hagamos algo, vamos a ver cómo se llama. Y ya dije de dónde vienes, ¿no? Pero, ¿cómo te llamas? Diana de Mexicali. one,
Oh,
número
my
uno. Número
From
dos,
Mexico.
arriba.
Oh, Lord, perfect 10.